Hey guys, today we're going to draw G-Man from Skibidi Toilet. Make sure, if you haven't already, to check out some of my drawing books that I have out. They'll be in the description. Otherwise, grab your pen and paper and let's start on him. He is a little bit more realistic than some of the other characters because he has the face. So I'm going to start with his head to try to make things a little easier. So let's start with just two circles. These are going to be for his eyes. And we'll put them about that far apart. Now, right above these circles, we'll do his eyebrows. And his eyebrows are kind of in this menacing look. So how you do that is by kind of drawing that shape like that. And we can do the same thing on the other side. The other side I'll make a little smaller just because of the way he's facing. And I'll go ahead and fill those in dark. And that's kind of where we start. Now, with his nose, go over by the left eye and draw a curved line that comes down. And then right below that, we're going to do a curve that comes up like that. This will be for his nose. If I go too fast at all, just pause and finish on your side. Then you can always unpause. Now we're going to go ahead and do a curved that comes over here for the nostril. And then for his cheek, another curve like that. Now let's match on the other side and kind of go like that. And that's going to give us, pretty much the complete upper portion of the face. Right above his eyebrows, we can do a couple lines because he does have kind of like some wrinkles in his forehead. So we'll do some lines like that. Now let's do his mouth, which is going to be this smiley face like this. And it's kind of a creepy smiley face. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw on the inside his teeth. And I'll just draw some lines that come straight through like that. And I'll fill in the rest dark. All right. Last of all, before we do his head shape, is I'll put a line like this and this and like that, to finish off with some wrinkles for him on his face. All right, now for the head shape, I'll come up here and I'm gonna go and draw this forehead. It comes down into cheeks like this. And then we'll bring it down, around, and up. Just like that. We'll go ahead and draw an ear over here. And then we'll go ahead and fill in over here the hair. All right, one line over here for this neck and a line over there. That is the hardest part of this whole drawing. Now the toilet and the guns, much easier. So let's do those. Right below the neck, I'm gonna draw a line right over to here and we'll stop because we're gonna have a gun over there. Let's go ahead and go up a little and draw, curve down, and draw over. That'll be for the toilet seat. And then right behind him, we've got the other seat that comes down. All right, let's go up to his head and go up and over. This is gonna be for the tank. And down. Stop somewhere in there for the gun. And then the back right there. All right, let's do the gun. So the gun, you're gonna draw a circle and then this shape. I can't really explain this shape, so I'm gonna just draw it and show it to you. But basically it's a gun that has kind of a little laser on the top. All right, once you have that, go out the other side, go straight out, and then we're gonna draw a cylinder on the end that gets bigger. Just like that. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Same thing. I'll just draw the smaller part of the cylinder first. And then we'll come over. Big circle for the front of the gun. Draw that little laser. And there we go. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead now and we'll do these back kind of missile guns. And they're pretty easy to draw. They're just kind of have this topper So on both sides, kind of like a mushroom. And then what we'll do is we'll draw this little shape that is similar but a little different. Bring it all the way down. We'll do another topper kind of right in the middle and bring it in and down, just like that. Maybe fill in these. Awesome. I'm gonna do a little line back here for the tank. Okay, we're getting pretty far along with him. Let's go ahead and draw these little plates that kind of go on the side of the toilet. And so we'll just do little 3D plates like that. Bring it down. We'll do one on the front. Same kind of thing, except what we'll do is we'll do the little 3D part over on the right, like that. All right, and then draw the front of the bowl and one last one over here. Okay, we're about there, guys. Let's do the bottom of the toilet real quick. And this is just kind of a platform, so we can draw it as kind of a 3D rectangle, I guess. All right, maybe a little square here in the front. Maybe I'll redo that square so I don't mess it up. There we go. We've got him. All we have left now is to color him. Let's color him in. All right, guys. I like him. I think he turned out pretty good, pretty menacing. Make sure you guys follow the channel, give me a subscribe, and check out some of my drawing books I have out. They'll be in the description. And I hope I'll see you guys in the next video.